Hey, what's up guys? My name is Luca. I'm a Younow streamer and I'm able to present a new project, a new program that I've made that I've wanted to make for a long time. It's the OBS chat. It's the Younow chat. Because since I've started on this platform 2 years ago, when people wanted to use the chat and put the chat on their screen, they had to display capture it, and then they had to put a green screen on that such that it looks good. Now, I never liked this kind of method, and I thought there would be way cooler ways to like customize your fonts, to customize the chat and make it your own, your personal chat. So that's what we're here for. I'm gonna show you guys how to implement the program. I'm gonna talk to you guys about how it works, and it's gonna be very easy. It's gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes. I hope you take your time. I put a lot of time and effort into this project since now it is the biggest one. Thousands of lines of code, a lot of weeks of implementation and working on it. And now I'm finally done and I'm happy to present it. Let's go. So the first thing we're gonna do is, it's pretty simple, is we're gonna download the whole thing. So you guys are gonna see in the comments down below a link to the download. We're gonna be here on the website GitHub. What we're gonna do is pretty easy. We just press on code and then we press on download the zip file. Then afterwards we're gonna have a zip file in our downloads folder. What we're gonna do is we want to unpack this zip file. Please unzip it. If not, the program is not going to be working if you just open it up right in here. Please put it somewhere in your documents, wherever. Right now, we're just going to put it on our screen. Afterwards, you shouldn't change the folder anymore, or you're going to have to re-implement the program because the path is going to be a different one. But yeah, let's open it up. You guys are going to find two important folders in here, which is the chat generator and the OBS chat. Let's start with the chat generator, where we build our stream, right? Where we build our chat. Okay, so the best way to do this and to see how the chat looks like, there's actually like two kinds of ways. Or you open up a Younow stream that is streaming right now. For me, let's say Matthew Williams. Right now, we're gonna put that name in here to the streamer name. The streamer name of yours should be afterwards in here, so don't put a different name in there. It should be your stream. This is just for testing right now. When we press start live chat, you can also implement this program when you're streaming. It's also convenient. When you press on start live chat, you're gonna see the chat jump in and from down here. There you go. Right now, it looks very dry. The chat looks very dry, but we're going to change that in a second. We're going to go over all the features such that you guys then can implement it by yourself. So we're going to start with, we got the streamer name. As you guys can already see, that's very important for like testing or afterwards when you export it. We got the chat width, which is how thick should the chat be. We can put this on 350. And then if you guys want to simulate a chat, you can simulate them up here, like a normal person, like someone that is not a sub or a moderator or no super chat. Here, as an example, we just put it on 350. Then afterwards, we can put the font. We have a lot of fonts here to try out. A small thing with fonts, most of the time, not for every single one, the thickness works. That's the only thing. It's quite minor. Then if we see the chat that we like, best thing that we can do is try to like figure out what is missing. For me right now, I can see the padding, the text between or the space between is too big. So we can put down the padding to like, let's say 10. Let's reset the chat so it looks cleaner. And now we can see that the space between is even smaller. Let's put it to 5 actually, just to like try it out. I like this. Yeah, that looks good. All right. The font looks pretty okay. I like that. Let's see if we can make this font thick. Yes, we can make the title thick. Perfect. I like that. We can also change the title size, but I'm happy with the title size. Word spacing, letter spacing. It's pretty damn simple. Let's be real. Font color. This is the whole color, such that like it's gonna set the title, it's gonna set the name, it sets everything. So what I like to do is here, I like to put it white, but right now for testing, it's not that good. So in the meanwhile, we're gonna just make it black. So now we're gonna get to the more specialized features, such that we can, this is set for the basic chat. What does that mean? Basic chat means every single person, it doesn't matter if you're a sub, moderator, and so on. What we're gonna change now though is as an example, for basic chat people, we can set two things. We can set the font again, which we saw works for this font, but we don't really want a different one. What we want to change is we want to see the profile pictures. As you can see, it works perfectly, just like that. Or we can also set the icons profile and profile pictures, which is really cool. I really like that feature. Miss Lemon, very lemon green, helped me with this feature. She created this awesome icons that you guys can see here. Here we're gonna see for normal people, we got the Younow sticker. Then we got the sub badge that comes from the Younow website itself. It's my sub badge right now. For others, people with subscriptions, it could be a different one. We made icons for every red crown, which is really cool. And we even made some for when people are for platinum users, which is really, really cool. So where is it? Oh, we didn't set that up yet. Okay. So what we can now do is we can set the color of basic chat people. What I can definitely tell you guys, try to use bright colors rather than dark ones, because they're more poppy and they work way better, such that we can set like different colors. Let's say red. I don't even know what that's rosa in German. I have no clue. So let's set these three colors, and now we can see with normal, people are gonna have different colors. On stream then afterwards, the cool thing is that the color is gonna set to the name of the user, such that when a user comes in and has a purple name, he's gonna keep a purple name over the stream. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Now we're done with basic chat. You guys can do the same thing for subscribers, moderators, and then there is one special thing for super chat. When people use the super chat that flies over the chat, sometimes I miss that kind of stuff. So this helped me a lot we can set a border for that. So let's say we set it yellow, solid, and medium. Okay. We add the super chat, and we can see that it has a yellow border. We can make a thick border. Add super chat. Looks good too. Heck yeah. All right. Just remember that you guys have to set for every kind of role of the person in the stream the attachments. Such that if you guys have icons and profile pictures in basic chat, you guys have to do that in subscriber settings too, if you guys have subscribers. Same thing for moderators. And you guys have to set for every single kind of role colors. If you guys want to have mods and subscribers have the same color, you gotta set this one on red, and you gotta set the unsubscriber one on red, and they're gonna be both red. There you go. Okay, then when you guys are done and you're happy with how you implemented the chat, the best thing to do is keep this website open until you guys want to like update the stuff, because afterwards, if you guys close this now, you're gonna have to redo the whole thing again, which is kind of messy, but I didn't want to put even more time into it and create like something that like loads the old file up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just stay like that, and we're gonna export the file. We're gonna first set our name though. We're just gonna keep Matthew Williams. You should use your own name, most definitely. And then we just press on export file. Sweet. Now we exported the file. You guys have done the hardest part of the stream. Okay, building in. Okay. What we have now here is a file. It's called generated output. All right. What you guys have to do, it's really, don't get scared. Just go out into the OBS chat and put the program right in here. Just generated output. We put that in here. Bam. Be careful that there is not a 2 next to it. It's just generated output. That's it. Okay. And now we have this file. We got OBS. Bam. All you got to do, and it's the easiest thing in the world. Just take the OBS chat. Sorry, you guys can't see. Just take the OBS chat just like that. Just take it and put it into your OBS. All right. I'm going to change the scene for a second so that you guys can see it better. You guys are going to be able to like just see the chat on screen just like that, just like you see it right now. And then you just scale it up and make it bigger. And there it is. There it is. Right now, the only problem that I made right now is I put it into the wrong folder. There is a different OBS chat we're using right now, so I messed up there a little bit. But that's the whole point. Like all you gotta do is then take this OBS chat file that you guys find in the OBS chat. Be sure that you put the generated output in, and then just drag this thing onto your screen. And it's gonna tell you guys that it's trying to connect to the stream. So if you're offline, it's not gonna work like it's just gonna tell you that it's trying to connect. And that's it. That's the whole program. I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys take your time to like make a cool chat and then build that into your stream. And yeah, a small thing to attach to all of this is when you guys are on your OBS and you guys want to like update the chat such that you changed something, okay? Then you can click to properties and then refresh cache of current page. You guys have to scroll down, okay? And also, if you guys just want to change a small thing and you guys think you're brave enough, okay? I'm gonna show you. There is one way you guys can use the old input, okay, that you guys already made, and you don't have to make the whole thing again. And that's not too hard. All you have to do is go into the generated output, the file that you just put in. You open that up with an editor, right? Not Word, please, no. Open with anything else. You can use Notepad. You can use WordPad. It doesn't matter. Notepad or WordPad would be perfect. Okay, and then what we have in here is all the data, right? We got the streamer name. Right now, this is Jody Frampton because it's a different one. We got the chat with. Everything that we just built in there is in here. So if you guys want to change like a single thing, just search for it and try to like insert it correctly. What I mean with correctly is don't close any brackets. Don't put anything into the brackets where the colors are. Don't mess with the colors. And if you guys mess up, then just export the file again. Like you can rebuild this file very easily. But that's it. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy the program as much as I do. And that's everything. If you guys still have questions, let me know. You can ask me on Instagram. You can ask me on Discord. You can ask me in my stream. But just please put some time into it and go slowly over this process rather than just rushing it and then coming to me. But that's it. Thank you so much for checking out. And I hope you have a beautiful day. Peace out. Cut! Cut!